Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Robin Radar Systems unveils software upgrade extending Iris counter-drone radar range to 12 km. Robin Radar Systems has announced a software breakthrough that extends the range of its counter-UAS unmanned aerial systems radar system, Iris infrastructure for resilience, interconnectivity and security by satellite, from 5 km 3.1 miles to 12 km 7.45 miles. The new Iris Long-Range Mode LRM requires no hardware changes and can be installed across all existing units. The company said the innovation was developed and stress-tested through multiple Iris deployments in Ukraine, where fixed-wing drones and shod loitering munitions pose near-daily threats to critical infrastructure. The upgrade is intended to provide Ukrainian forces with an extended early warning window to prepare for incoming drones traveling at over 180 km/h per hour, 111 mph miles per hour. This upgrade isn't just about range, it's about time. Every extra kilometer of detection gives defenders more precious seconds to react, more chances to protect critical infrastructure, and ultimately more lives saved. By delivering this leap forward entirely through software, we're showing how the decisive edge in counter-drone defense is no longer just built, it's coded, said Christian Brost, General Manager, Robin Radar USA. The software-only update makes Iris one of the first off-the-shelf radars proven to detect and classify shod drones at long distances, according to Robin Radar. The system remains lightweight and designed for integration into multi-sensor counter-UAS architectures while maintaining high accuracy. Robin Radar highlighted that the update was shaped by direct feedback from Ukrainian operators, which was fed into the development cycle to accelerate deployment. The company said the rapid innovation reflects the urgent need for adaptive solutions in high-pressure environments. This upgrade marks a step change in what counter-drone radar can achieve, said Syed Haminga, CEO, Robin Radar Systems. By listening to our users on the front line, we've redefined the capabilities of an off-the-shelf system, delivering a battlefield-proven solution that is now being made available worldwide. As software continues to transform defense, it's our every intention that Robin Radar will hold its position at the forefront of innovation. Robin Radar added that the battlefield-tested technology can also be rolled out to critical government agencies, including European Ministries of Defense and Interior and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security Science and Technology. The company stressed that every second counts in counter-drone defense and that its priority remains to provide advanced radar as the first line of protection. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.